All forms of investing involve some level of risk. That said, there are ways that you can be smart about where and how you invest to ensure that you are making decisions that have the right risk-reward balance. One of the strategies that you can use to lower your investment risk is through something called dollar cost averaging. It is important to note that while this strategy allows you to lower your risk, it also limits your potential returns. Is dollar cost averaging the right investment strategy for you? Let's find out. What is dollar cost averaging? Dollar cost averaging is an investment practice that involves investing a consistent amount of money toward the same investment over a specific period of time. You put in the same amount of money regardless of the value of the share. For example, let's say you have decided to invest $300 per month toward a particular stock or mutual fund. When you go to make the purchase for that month, you will be purchasing 10 shares. Next month, when you go to make your purchase, if the price has dropped to $10 per share, you will purchase 30 shares. As you can see from this example, the number of shares that you can purchase from month to month will likely fluctuate. However, regardless of the price, your monthly amount invested always stays the same. Experts recommend this investing strategy because it forces you to develop discipline in your investing habits. Additionally, it is also a less stressful approach to investing. Let's pause for a moment and talk about the importance of discipline in your trading practices. The most important skill to master when you start making investment decisions is discipline. Discipline is essential for making wise investment decisions. Investing without discipline can lead to risky gambles and poor results. To become a successful investor, you need to understand the basics of investing and market trends, but also have the self-discipline to stick with your plan during both good times and bad. The key elements of self-discipline in investing are setting clear goals, having a plan to reach these goals, and being consistent in following the plan. Dollar cost averaging makes this much easier. It is also important to have an understanding of risk tolerance, how much risk you are willing to take while achieving your objectives. This will help you stay within your limits when making investment decisions and avoid taking unnecessary risks that could be detrimental to your long-term goals. Finally, it is important to remain objective when making investment decisions. You should never be influenced by emotions or irrational decisions, and instead stay focused on the facts and data available in the market. What are the benefits of dollar cost averaging? There are several reasons why experts recommend dollar cost averaging as your investment strategy. First off, it establishes good investing habits. This is a valuable benefit, especially for those who are new to investing. Most people find it difficult to put aside money towards their investments. It's always easy to find another place to spend that money. But if you stick to this investment approach, you will master the discipline necessary to invest the amount you have budgeted. Many investors set up automatic contributions, so the money goes straight to their investment portfolio. This goes a long way in helping you stick to your savings plan. Dollar cost averaging also takes the guesswork out of when to buy based on stock price alone. It is impossible to precisely pinpoint when the best time is to buy or sell your shares. With dollar cost averaging, you have a steady investment strategy that keeps you positioned to regularly save and invest. What are the drawbacks of dollar cost averaging? There are some things that you must be wary of when using the dollar cost averaging approach. One of the most important things you need to know is that market conditions are constantly changing. Your investment account will likely perform better when you put in smaller amounts over a given period of time. Another potential risk of using the dollar cost averaging strategy is that you could fall into a bad investment. Make sure you are continually analyzing the performance of your investment. Yes, the market will ebb and flow, but you also need to keep a close watch, as you don't want to stick with a poorly performing investment. Like any investment strategy, dollar cost averaging is an investment strategy that has both pros and cons. It is ideal for investors who are risk-averse or those with limited funds, and those who want a plan that allows for smaller investments over a longer period of time. While there is some potential to reduce losses, there is also no guarantee of higher returns on your investment either. Take time to review the pros and cons of this investment strategy to see if it is the right fit for your goals. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.